it sees anything. You can't see anything, but can you hear how crazy windy it is? It's probably not going to do it now that I'm videotaping.
It's windy now.
It's going to be windy. Can this thing see anything?
Why didn't you turn the flashlight on, then you could see?
Oh. Good idea. I think the flashlight's broken. Shit. There we go. Alright, you see this shit?
No, wait, Thomas.
Well, I'm videotaping it right now. Look, we're sleeping in this tent, and... Oh. Listen. Why, when I videotape, does it not happen? Oh, it's coming. I think it's coming. Yeah, here we go. How are we gonna ever sleep? Okay, that's the end of the video, but I hope you get the point. Holy shit! This is what it's like in New Mexico. What the fuck?